Hi, today we're here with Comptel. Can you tell us who you are and what your role is with the company?
Yeah, hello. Hi, my name is Mikko Jarva. I'm the CTO of Intelligent Data Business Unit with Comptel.
Great. And what is it you're going to talk to us about today?
I'm mainly going to be talking about intelligent fast data.
Okay, so tell us why intelligent fast data is important and how you're helping with the challenge.
Yeah. So intelligent fast data is a concept where we turn the big data and analytics around. We turn big data into fast data, and we turn analytics into embedded analytics into decision making, and hence we get intelligent fast data.
And as you talk with operators around this challenge, what is the key problem that they're having today? Are they not knowing what to do with the data they have or how to implement it?
Yes. So, yes, operators, our customers, they have increasingly growing data streams in terms of the data streams volume, variety, and velocity or speed of the data. So they have more data sources coming to them, integrated more data sources coming to them. The data is coming faster, it's more varied, it's coming from their networks, it's coming from their operations, it's coming from their customers, it's coming from their customer data points. Now the question is how we can better use and monetize that data, how we can bring more value from that data. Obviously, one way to bring value from that data is billing, but it's something that already has been solved with. So with intelligent fast data, we want to increase the opportunities to extract the value from the growing data that operators are managing.
Okay, so why don't you explain how Comptel can help with this problem?
Okay, so the idea is, first of all, we need to have a capability to integrate all different data streams, but then things get quite complicated. Now, how do we analyze the data? How do we parse the data? How do we combine it together elegantly so that we can turn the data into those business opportunities and actions? One example of such actions would be, for example, real-time marketing. Other actions would be warning of anomalies in the network, or another kind of action would be providing value-added services to their customers in terms of warnings, notifications, or offers.
Okay, so why don't we look at one of those in more depth? So let's look at the real-time marketing. Can you walk me through how a program would work?
Yes, we could take some of the operators' own services. Let's take something which is getting very commonplace, but still not everybody has LTE service, right? So most operators, they already have a good LTE coverage, but they don't have all the subscribers on the LTE. At the same time, we have a lot of subscribers who are utilizing the LTE-enabled phones or are trading into them. So how do we seize the business opportunity in this kind of situation? So with intelligent data, we can orchestrate decision-making logics. These decision-making logics, they can easily orchestrate a situation where a customer, for example, changes their phone into an LTE-capable phone. Then we do analysis in real time whether the subscriber already has an LTE subscription. If not, we can see if the subscriber has a high likelihood or affinity for LTE service. We can also look into the subscriber's usage profile, how heavily they are utilizing data. And then we can also in the real time see an analysis whether the customer has an LTE availability in their most likely home location. And in such case, if there is, then the best offer at that context is to offer the customer to upgrade their subscription with the LTE service.
Okay, and then there's also a feature where you can compare how the program is working versus other programs?
Yes, we call it simulation. So obviously before we put such a real-time engagement marketing campaign into a production, we like to have some kind of idea how well it will do. Some of the logics might not do much or trigger actions at all. Some of them might trigger too many actions. How to see how well they do, we can simulate it past some historical data. So we take historical data, we put it running in a sandbox, and quite fast we can get then the result of the simulation, which will tell how well would this real-time decision-making logic or campaign fare in production.
Okay. Well, there's a lot of companies talking about big data here at Mobile World Congress. So what would be the key takeaways for the viewers as to what Comptel's doing that's different?
Yeah, so let's turn the big data into past data. So we can utilize the past data for machine learning and to help the analytics to learn, what are the patterns and what can be predicted from there. But let's start to consolidate into intelligent vast data. Data that in real time can be refined into right actions and recommendations.
Okay, great. Thank you for your time.
Thank you.